Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cucumber juice. Yes, I said it, cucumber juice. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I have one cucumber here, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar, and I have 1 cup of water. You could use honey, but I don't like honey. I never did like honey, but you could use that as a more healthier version in place of the sugar. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut up the cucumber into smaller pieces. Everything is going to go into the blender. Now for this cucumber juice, you could either peel off the skin, or you could do it like this with the skin on it, which is what I'm going to do. I want to use as much of the cucumber as I can, so I'm going to do this recipe with the skin on. So here's my blender. I'm going to put the cucumber in the blender. The sugar and the water. So on my blender I have a liquefied option, so I'm going to use that option to blend the cucumber. Okay, so I allow that to blend for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so here we go with my glass. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain this cucumber juice. This is optional. You could drink it with all the substance and everything, which I think is a better thing to do. But we are making a juice today, so I'm straining this. To get the juice. And off camera, I'm going to drink the rest with the pulp and everything. And what I like to do too as well, you can make it into a smoothie, with the pulp, instead of allowing it to waste. Use this out with your different fruits and your other green veggies, a green smoothie. Add some banana, green vegetables like spinach, whatever you make a green smoothie with, and use up all of this, all of the pulp from this cucumber. So we're almost done, guys. This is very good. This is really good. Nice, lovely glass of cucumber juice. Yeah, baby. Okay folks, so here's my cucumber juice all done. I really like this. My daughter introduced me to this quite a long time ago, and I haven't had it for some time, so I said, you know what, I really must make some for myself. And there are quite a few versions of it. You could add like ginger, you could add like carrot, make it like, some people add lime juice, lemon juice to it. I just prefer to do it nice and pure, just the cucumber alone. But I think eventually I will do some variations with the cucumber and the lemon and so forth. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you try this, let me know what you think about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.